Hi everyone, my name is Isabel and I'm a tech and product leader based in Sydney, Australia. Today I would like to talk about AI advancement and how it's shaping the future of software as a service products on cloud. Firstly, I'd like to talk about how work is being defined by AI, also known as artificial intelligence. The landscape of artificial intelligence is perpetually evolving, pushing the horizons of what's possible farther with each innovation. As we stand on the cusp of these advancements as tech and product leaders, it's essential to consider what comes next and how it will shape the world that we live in. One of the most significant transformations that's occurring in the realm of work is the use of AI in order to automate and gain efficiency and effectiveness. The age of AI is redefining roles, tasks, and entire industry, whether it's an IT industry, service industry, legal industry, commerce industry, and many more, and it is compelling both employees and employers to adapt. Firstly, automation is replacing repetitive work. Automation and AI technologies are taking over repetitive tasks, freeing human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic activities. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also encourages the development of new skill sets tailored to the digital age. Secondly, the rise of AI first products is scaling business impact to unprecedented level. These products, designed with AI at their core, are not merely integrating AI as an afterthought or as an additional feature. Instead, they are built from the ground up to leverage AI capabilities, leading to more intuitive, efficient, and powerful solutions that can adapt and can evolve over time. Both these approaches, when combined, allow businesses to stay ahead in competitive markets, cater to changing consumer demands, and open new revenue streams. This is very important for us product and tech leaders to remember as we navigate this new area of work. Now I would like to share about some of the technology choices that you can make on when you are designing AI first products on the cloud. The exact choice of technologies will depend on the specific needs and requirement of your product, but a typical AI first cloud technology stack might include what I will talk about now. Firstly, in terms of programming language, Python is a common choice due to its AI and ML libraries. ML stands for machine learning. Then we have got cloud hosting platforms, and the most popular one, such as AWS, GCP, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, provide services for developing and hosting AI applications. The next one is data. Data is critical to AI and ML applications. SQL databases like PostgreSQL or NoSQL databases like MongoDB can be used in AI and ML applications. When it comes to cloud storage, solutions like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage can be used for data management. Then, you need to take a look at data processing tools such as Apache Spark or Hadoop. When it comes to the core of the applications such as machine learning frameworks, deep learning libraries, and natural language processing libraries, there are a few choices available on the market, and you can evaluate them based on your requirements and suitability as well as the cost factor. As a cloud application or a cloud software, there are other tools and technologies that you need to look at, such as containerization and orchestration. Docker and Kubernetes are the two most popular ones. CD/CI tool to automate the process of testing and deploying an application on the cloud. Monitoring and logging tools, including traceability, and popular tools such as Splunk and Dynatrace. And last but not least, API and integration tools that allow you to integrate with other services that are popular on the cloud, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and so on. Now let's take a look at how shaping the future of software as a service products using AI and ML can take on various forms. Firstly, for HR, AI and ML can help to streamline the recruitment process. For IT or information technology industry, this is where AI and ML have been used quite repeatedly and quite well. They are used to automate routine tasks, predict issues before they occur, and improve cybersecurity. When it comes to legal industry, AI and ML can help analyze large quantity of legal document and data much faster and more accurately than a human or a legal or paralegal person can do. For commerce or retail industry, AI and ML can improve customer experiences by personalizing interaction and predicting customer behaviors. Let's take a look at each of them in more details. For the HR industry, for example, AI-powered software can automatically sort through resumes, rank candidates based on qualification or certain criteria, and even contact initial screening via chatbots. This not only speeds up the hiring process, but also reduces biases that might be at play, as long as AI is not paid to have biases. Another AI example would be to analyze video interviews and predict the suitability of any candidate based on selection criteria. For the legal industry, AI and ML can help analyze large quantity of legal document and data accurately. This can also assist in research, contract analysis, and prediction of legal outcomes. A legal research tool could use natural language processing to understand and answer legal questions. For the IT industry, again, AI and ML has been used quite widespreadly to automate routine tasks and predict issues before they occur. For example, AI-powered IT service management tool can predict when and where a system failure might occur even before it occurs, allowing for a productive and proactive issue resolution. Another example would be an AI model that allows clustering of issues and showing business intelligence on where systematic solutions might need to come to play. As cybersecurity AI could use machine learning to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time. For commerce or retail industry, AI and ML can be used to improve customer experience and add personalization and predicting customer behavior. For example, an AI-powered recommendation engine can suggest products based on a customer browsing behavior, their demographic, and other preferences, thereby increasing the likelihood of a purchase. One very good example is Amazon, which uses ML algorithms to suggest products to customers based on their past purchases, viewing history, and what other customers have bought. You can already see this in Amazon Online and Amazon shopping apps. As a tech and product leader, one of the very critical things for us to do is to prioritize feature and capabilities for AI-first products using a strategic approach. There are 4 key principles to it, and I'm going to explain each of them one by one. Firstly, user-centric design is the first principle. Start by understanding what your users and customers need and want. This can be done by conducting user interviews, surveys, and market research to gather information. This activity will help you prioritize features that are most important to your user rather than based on your intuition or your desire. Secondly, prioritize features that are aligned with long-term and strategic business goals. Aligning features and capabilities with your business objective should contribute to your business goal, and if they don't, then it shouldn't be a priority. Here, you can use a prioritization framework like RISE, Reach, Impact, Confident, and Effort, or MOSCORE, Must Have, Should Have, Could Have, and Won't Have. There's another prioritization framework that you can use called Value versus Complexity to help rank the importance of each feature against how long it might take or how hard it might be to implement them. The third principle is around technical feasibility. As a tech and product leader, you must be able to assess the technical feasibility of each feature. Some features might be great to have, but could be technically challenging or resource intensive. And resource here means the compute and storage resources on the infrastructure. As part of this, you also need to consider data requirement. In AI-first products, the availability and quality of data are crucial. Features requiring data that's hard to collect or of low quality might need to be deprioritized. Lastly, you need to regularly review, prioritize, and adapt. Here, in a software development environment, you can use agile methodologies to create a minimal, viable product with the highest priority features. Then you can collect user feedback and iterate on the product based on the feedback that you receive from end users. Priority can also change over time, so it's important to regularly review and adjust your list of features based on user feedback, changes in business goals, and emerging technology trends. It's important to be able to adapt quickly as the technology landscape is changing and evolving rapidly. By carefully prioritizing features, you as a technology leader and product leader can ensure that your AI-first product on cloud not only meets customer needs and business objectives, but are also efficiently developed and can be scaled based on the needs of customers and the needs of the company.